Hey guys, so I'm here at my second home of this cruise on my second part of this back-to-back, and I am at 10305. I have a boardwalk balcony. Let's check it out. It's ready already because I'm a back-to-back. Oh, and the thing, it'll like light up, but unless you hear it, it ain't working. There we go. Ah. Okay, this is not working. It's not opening. It's not opening.
May it try?
Yes. Oh, you gotta go hard that hard? Oh, man. I gotta have a lot of energy. That means I gotta use this hand. It's the strong hand right here.
Yep.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, guys. So, some of these doors are heavy. Oh, you do have a thing in there. This is mine to wear for the light. I keep that.
Yeah.
Thank you. It wasn't in the last one. Alright. Intro. We have here our mirror, full-length mirror. And I already have my luggage and things from the other room. I have here my clothes and my clothes. And those are some other things that I had from this back-to-back. So we have here another mirror, nice big mirror. All of these plugs, I'm so happy for all these plugs. So if you go on the Symphony, you don't need to bring a plug adapter unless you got like more than 5 different plugs. So yeah, I have 2 masks right here in the invite to the event for the tier. I have here, it is telling me welcome on board. This right here is telling me about my crown and anchor. This is telling me, sorry. This is telling me about my diamond, actually, y'all. It's telling me about my diamond. This is telling me again about the diamond. And I did not get the shake, but I will be getting the shake today, this time. Here is the compass that shows for just the shows, but I've already booked all my shows. We have a slide chair. And we have a fridge. Hopefully it is as cold as the last one was. My last fridge was cold. That was nice. We have here a blow dryer. And then we got drawers. Oh, I got some tissue. Drawers, and drawers. And underneath these also, we have drawers. Same thing. Well, there's no drawers on that side. So, we have drawers. You see my couch right there. And looks like it's long enough for me to lay out. There is a plug right here. Where's the thermostat? I'll show you that in a minute. We have here our TV. And it comes out, guys. We have here our beautiful, beautiful bed. There's a phone with a little drawer. The bathroom. This thing is on colder. No, it ain't. So, we have here your toilet. 2 glasses, brushing your teeth. Need a drink of water. And I asked for 4 towels. And look at the mirror. Hey. And there's room down here also. And then we have the 3 shelves over here next to the glasses. And then we have our shower. So this thing is completely the other direction than how my central one was. But it's high up. I love that. I love that. You see that? So when the shower is getting, you don't have to worry about it coming out. Because it's got this really high ledge here. So you're good. No splashing, no accidents. Now, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We have here. We have here. We have here. Our, or my, or our, because I'm sharing it with you. Our balcony. This is the balcony. It is definitely much smaller than the last balcony. Yep. And then I have a little table here. And look at this, guys. I can see some of the aqua show from here. So this is my boardwalk balcony. And look, I can see the Symphony of the Sea sign. Yes. Hey guys, so this is the after for my boardwalk balcony tour. So there you go. Of course I gotta make my C for cruising, cause yeah. So let's see what's inside. I didn't do a whole lot, but let's check it out anyways. So I have my hooks so I can hang my stuff, my sweater. This, I always have that because it's cold on the ship. And I have my bag, what I'm wearing for tonight. So in here, I have my shirts. I have more shirts I haven't worn. And my electronics. It's a shirt I'm gonna wash, hand wash it. So here are some more sets. There's my pajamas, swim stuff, underwear, towels, safe. I got my book bag under there. Got my shower cap on there already. So then this is storage too, guys. That ledge, you can store something anywhere. Anywhere. If you need the room, use it. And then I have my little sign up for all I'm doing. But I also have on the back, trying to take it off. Come off. On the back, I have my restaurants. And I already made schedules. So, I got the times too. It was a clean garbage can, so. I have my plugs. So I can charge my things. I just got my welcome snack from my tier. The cookies. And the water. And the pop. It is cold. Yay. So I'm gonna put it away. I've already set up for this practice live for my Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my royal experiences.